In this video we'll see how to create virtual environment in your computer. So for this what you have to do is, so first decide any drive or any folder where you want to install the virtual environment. So first go to the drive and here create one folder for your virtual environment. So here I am creating that. My folder name is my_env, my env, so means my environment. So in this folder I want to create the virtual environment. So initially this folder is empty. So now, so this folder is in which drive? H drive. Now after that go to the cmd. After going to the cmd, so here first you have to install the virtual environment package. So how to install that one? So simply write the pip command, pip install install virtual virtual env and click on enter. Then all the necessary packages will be downloaded and installed in your computer. If it is not yet installed, if it is already installed, so it will show that requirements already satisfied and it will show you the message. If it is not yet installed, then it will show you the message. So let us see. Yeah, it is showing that requirement is already satisfied, means that virtual environment has been already installed. So in case in your computer if it is not yet installed, means it will be downloaded from the internet and it will be installed. For this you have to make sure that your computer should be connected to the internet. After doing this, now first you have to go to the folder where you want to create the virtual environment. So first you have to move to the H drive. So first type H:, I move to the H drive. See this one, now it is showing that H drive. After that, what is the folder for your environment? my_env. First change the folder, cd my_env. So this is my virtual environment folder. Now click on enter. Now see this one, now you have changed it to the particular folder. After moving that folder, what you have to do is type the following command, virtual env space dot and click on enter. Now what are the files necessary for running the virtual environment? All the files will be created in this virtual environment folder. Let us see. Yeah, see this one, it is showing the message created virtual environment and all the details are showing here. Now open the my_env folder. Now here you can see some files and folders. Earlier this folder was empty. Now after running the virtual env space dot, then obviously what are the necessary files for running the virtual environment? All the files will be installed here. Now how you can activate the virtual environment? So for this you have to type the following command, dot slash scripts scripts. So this is the folder scripts, S should be capital, slash activate and click on enter. Now see this one, now here you can see that in brackets it is showing that my_env, means now you have moved to the virtual environment. So within this virtual environment you can create your own projects and you can install the what are the projects you need, what are the packages you want to install. So like for suppose I want to install the, for suppose I want to come out of the virtual environment. So for this what we have to do, we have to deactivate the virtual environment. For this you have to write DAC activate. If you click this one, see this one, now it is showing that H:/my_env, means you came out of the virtual environment. So here you are in the virtual environment, now you came out of the virtual environment. So again if I want to go to the virtual environment, just type the following command, dot slash scripts slash activate. Now you have moved to the virtual environment. So in this, if you want to see the what are the packages installed in this environment, for this type the following command, pip freza. Here you can see that what are the packages or what are the libraries installed in your virtual environment. So it is showing the empty, means not yet installed any libraries. For suppose I want to install the Django, pip install Django. Now see this one, here I am installing the Django packages in my virtual environment, because I am creating all the projects in virtual environment only, so that before creating any project, first you have to install the Django libraries. After that only you have to create the projects. Now type pip freza. Now see this one. So these are the libraries or the packages downloaded from the internet and installed. So by using these packages you can start running the projects. So here during the program, during creating the project, if you want to use any package or if you want to use any libraries, so you can install in the virtual environment by using the pip command as usual. So after this, if you want to create the project, now you can create. So how you can create the project means Django -admin start project, and here you can give the project name. For suppose I want to create the project for banking, simply you can write BANKING. Now see this one, till now in this folder library and scripts are there. After running this command, you can see that one more folder has been created, that is the banking. So this is the folder for your project. So within this folder you can create the different apps. So here whenever you are creating any project, each component is represented by one app. So that first you have to move to the particular project folder BANKING banking. So in this you can start creating the apps and you can run the servers and all the things you can do it here. So this is the way you can install the virtual environment and you can start creating the projects and all the things. That's all.